I've asked whether personal insolvency cases are currently falling. In fact, it's very much the contrary, and recent figures produced by the Insolvency Service for the second quarter of 2018 indicate that across the board since the last quarter, personal insolvency cases have increased by 4.4%, but over the last 12 months, total personal insolvency cases have increased by 27.3%. In fact, individual voluntary arrangements are at their highest ever level, which is quite a significant development given that in the early 2000s there were extremely high levels of individual voluntary arrangements because that process was being used to deal with a very high level of consumer non-business debt at the time. But we are now seeing a return to IBAs at beyond that level. There is also a big increase in debt relief orders, which is another alternative to bankruptcy. They were at minimal levels back in 2009, but have recently increased by around 14%. Bankruptcies themselves are actually now slipping in number, and this may well be because there is now a requirement for any individual or company seeking a bankruptcy order against an individual to prove that there is a debt of at least £5,000 before they're able to issue a bankruptcy petition. This is an increase from the old level of £750. And there are also increased costs to be paid on issuing bankruptcy proceedings or indeed in achieving a county court judgment prior to then issuing bankruptcy proceedings.